So, although they're wearing the headgear, and we can see the pictures here, is there a human telling them what to do, or is it a robot or AI telling them what to do?
So what they've done here is they've taken all the knowledge from the retiring employees, and they've put that into a training module that then the new recruit can put on. So without a trainer next to them, be guided through those tasks. And what we found is that they actually can do training 80% faster when they use the augmented reality device, and that the work product is 25% better. In manufacturing, in this specific scenario, the waste in the manufacturing line went down by 25%, which is amazing for a training scenario. But what was really interesting was that when they introduced Magic Leap into the recruiting process, it became a lot easier to recruit younger people because they saw the job being more high-tech and future-forward. And really interesting was that anybody trained on using Magic Leap was 30% more engaged in their job, and engaged employees stay longer. So not only is it an incredibly efficient training solution, it's also solving for one of the biggest challenges that are faced by manufacturers, recruiting and retaining those young employees.
And also, of course, you mentioned there that it's appealing to the younger demographic, but of course, we've got the other problem with, across so many different industries at the moment, with an older demographic leaving the workforce, and one of the solutions to that presumably is retraining or upskilling. And is that a use that Magic Leap can be put to?
Think about it. That you could take a factory worker and you can make them really good at 3 different jobs in a factory instead of 1. They become much more fungible. So now the employee can do 3 different jobs. So instead of an employer having to shut down a line or slow down because now they have to retrain someone completely from the beginning, they can do this really quickly. The employee becomes much more fungible and much more valuable. And so for the employee, that's incredible because they're more valuable to the employer, they're more secure, and for the employer, they can maintain productivity and an engaged workforce.